Well, one of the biggest issues about having dental issues or dental problems was the fact that I was in the hospitality business. I was in the restaurant business. So to walk through my dining rooms and not have a good smile, I was cognizant of it. So I really knew at some point in time that I needed to go in and really have a lot of work done. Some of the issues that happened in my youth growing up in Cajun country, Louisiana, where there are very few dentists, something we did as Cajun families, we kind of nurtured ourselves. I went to the military and that only made it worse. Because in the military, if you had any issue with your teeth, they were pulling it. Dr. Cassadaban was actually a referral from my doctor. I really needed some dental work that was beyond their ability, so they sent me to a specialist, and it just so happened to be Michael Cassadaban. The thing that I liked most about Dr. Cassadaban was just his desire to sit you down and talk about the issue, talk about the challenges, and talk about the fix. So it wasn't like sitting in a chair and guessing what was going on. He was very articulate about the issues. We actually hit it off pretty quickly because he loved what I loved, food, wine, so we had commonality there. And at the same time, it was very relaxing in his chair because we were talking about something we both loved a lot. And in the middle of the talk, he did a little work in my mouth, So it really was a great, comfortable relationship with him. And it led me to talk about Michael quite often to my guests and customers as well, that this was really a special guy. To just see that smile once all the work was done, my confidence level really jumped right out of the roof. Just to know that I could walk in to my dining rooms or on stage or on television, because I'm a media person as well, you want to look great. I mean, you really do. These are the kind of things that really, in my profession, was very important that I had a good smile. I needed a good set of teeth, and Michael Cassadaban made sure I had them.